iPhone 13 Pro distance-sensitive lineup repair operation. This is an iPhone 13 Pro with the original color function and compass unavailable. Take out the Lubin L3 repair instrument. Plug in main set sensor pair expansion board. Take out distance-sensitive lineup. Buckle cable onto the repair expansion board. Click Test. Test display normal. Plug in the mobile phone data cable to connect the mobile phone. Detection display bind. Click right, confirm right. Detection display right success. Turn off the phone and install the cable on the phone. The original color function and compass have been successfully repaired.